Hello to all viewers and subscribers. Most likely you are watching this video due to the fact that your iPhone is clogged and now you have begun to hear the conversation of the interlocutor badly. You have become hard to hear, the charging connector is clogged and the iPhone is not charging. Let's start with the tools and supplies you need to clean your iPhone. So we prepare wooden sticks, in my case toothpicks. Mesh washing liquid, I use medical alcohol, you can use ethyl or a special liquid. Next, the air source, in my case up here, it is necessary in order to blow out the remnants of the washing liquid. You can blow it out with your mouth, a toothbrush, a cloth for wiping glasses or displays, you can use a cotton swab. Let's start cleaning your iPhone from the speaker and microphone grids, they are usually the first to get clogged. We take washing liquid medical alcohol, a brush, wetting it with washing liquid, be sure to shake off the liquid from the brush, it should not pour from it, and clean the speaker grid. After the dust and dirt limp on the mesh, take a cleaning cloth and wipe the dirt and dust that was washed with a brush. After you carefully wipe everything, we take an air source. In my case up here, and blow out the remaining liquid and dirt, wipe the re-blown debris with the screen, and at the same time the entire screen. After cleaning the conversational speaker, let's move on to the microphone and music speaker grids. If you look closely, the nets are very dirty. We take a wooden stick or a toothpick and carefully clean the dirt. Do not press the toothpick into the stacks, we do everything carefully. After the main dirt is cleaned, we take a brush moistened with alcohol and clean the nets, then we take a peer, blow out the remaining liquid, wipe it with a cleaning cloth. After all the grids are cleaned, we move on to cleaning the charging connector. We take a wooden stick, a toothpick, and carefully clean the charging connector socket. Be careful not to damage the connector contacts. Pay attention to how much compressed dirt and dust flies out of the connector. Because of this garbage, the charger does not reach the contacts and the iPhone stops charging. After the dirt and dust from the charging connector is cleaned with a toothpick, we moisten the brush with alcohol. Clean the connector. I recommend using a brush with a long pile so that it gets everywhere. After the connector has been cleaned with a toothpick and a brush, we take an air source, blow out the remnants of the flushing liquid from the connector, as if we are drying the inside of the connector. At the end, we take a rag to wipe the screens and finally wipe the bottom of the iPhone, and if desired, the entire phone. Here friends, in an easy way, you can clean all the grids and the connector on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon, bye.